Hello everyone, welcome back to DataNests, and this is episode 4 of Excel Mastery series from basics to advanced. In previous video we learned how to format, sort and filter data to make it professional and clear. Today we are stepping into one of the most powerful part of Excel, charts and data visualization. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn boring number into beautiful, easy to understand visuals. Why use charts? Data is great, but visuals make it meaningful. Chart help you to see pattern, trends, and comparison instantly. Excel offers many chart types, and once you understand when to use each, your report look professional and insightful. Let's start simple. Select your data. Right now we want employee ID and salary. So after selecting the data, go to insert. There we will be finding multiple options for the chart. So for time being, just select column, select one, and we are getting a chart here itself. Okay, so here we can move our charts, resize it, look professional. So first we have to click on the chart itself, and then we will move to chart table here, and there we will be seeing multiple options to update our chart itself, like chart title, axis title, legend, data labels, data table. These are Excel grid lines. Here we can switch rows and column. Okay, so if we click here, it will automatically change. If we want to change here itself, we do not want the column wise, we want line. So just click on the line, it will change automatically. For time being, just go with the chart itself. We want to change the cell, change the chart one. So just change here. Instead of salary, you want employee wise salary. So it will change automatically here also. If you want to use data label, just click on wherever you want exactly. If outside, and it will go to the top. If you click inside base, it will go to the bottom. It will, if you click on center, it will come on center itself. So whichever you prefer, just use that one. So this look fine. We can also change the color of the bars. Just click here, click on the format, and this is the salary. So we just go to the salary and click on the fill, whichever color you want. You can click black, it will change to black. If you want to try something new, you can click here itself. This is the outline, whatever it is you want to click on the black, it will change. This is the border basically. Okay, chat title, if you want to close, it will be closed. Legend, you do not want to show, it will not show. Let's explore the most used chart types. So this is the one, column one basically. After that we have line. Line is used to show trend over time. Okay. And we have pie. In pie we have more than two. For time being, just go with 2D pie. Okay, so this will show a part of whole your data. Okay, and one more thing, pie chart we use only when we have less than 5 to 6 category, because too many slices make it confusing. See here, it's little bit confusing. Okay, so after that we have bar. Bar is same thing as column, but this will compare the data in horizontal way. One more chart, that is combo chart. Combo chart is basically mix of two charts, line and column. We have others chart also. This is areas, this is waterfall, these are radars. So just play around a little bit. Chart is basically dynamic. So if we want to change anything in the salary or in employee ID, it will automatically update here. So let's take an example. Instead of 49,000, if we want to have 51,000. Okay, so just enter, select, it will automatically change. Instead of E06, we want E0. There is one, yes. So let's go with 11. reports enter 11, it will automatically update. So these are absolutely dynamic. Whatever you do on the table, it will automatically reflect here itself. So this we use basically for dashboard or monthly reporting. How you visualize your data in Excel from basic chart to fully dynamic visuals. Now you can make your reports not just accurate but impactful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DataNests for more Excel and data analytics tutorials. In the next episode, we will dive into data validation and drop down list, taking interactivity to next level. Thanks for watching.